Hello friends, welcome back to this series of AngularJS. And as you know that we are these days discussing about the typescripts. So in this video, I am going to tell you something very interesting about the functions, one more style of defining your functions, which is called the arrow functions, or they are like the Lambda expressions that you might have used in the C sharp, or if you have worked on the C sharp, then you might have seen these kind of things in the C sharp. If you have worked on the Visual C++, or you can say the C++ latest compiler, which is C++ 17, 19, then there as well you might have seen the Lambda expressions. So let me show you that how you can create your own Lambda expression, or you can say the arrow functions in the TypeScript. So how you can write it, let me show you. Suppose I need to create a variable which points to a function. So I will write like this: fun add is equal to, what I will do, I will simply give the arguments here a, b, and then I will do something like this, and then I will do like this, right? So a and b, you can provide like a number and b number, and here you can write like the logic for your function, right? So suppose I want to write the logic for the function to return the sum of the two numbers. So return a plus b, right? So this portion is called the arrow function, right? So here I have given the arguments, and here I just have given the output of this function, whatever it will be returning. So let me just call this function, right? Like let result is equal to fun add, and then provide two numbers, 12 and 90. So it should become 102. So I will just print it, console.log, and I will simply print the results. Okay, so let's see what happens. So first need to compile it, and then I just need to run the node command to run it. Okay, so this is 102. So this is returning correctly, right? So this is what we can do with the arrow functions, and these are very important, just like the Lambda functions. So you can use them, and apart from that, we can use. We need to understand one more thing, that if your function has only one line, then you can omit this. You can simply write something like this. If it is not returning, then you can write this. In case you are returning, then you need this. But in case you are not returning and your function has only one line, then in that case you can remove this. So let me write one more function. Let me just remove this call, and let me write one more arrow function. So let fun demo is equal to, here you can say like name, which is of type string. Then you can write like age, which is of type number. And here you just want to print the name and the age. The name and age. So here I'm just going to print the name and the age in this manner. So it will be like name, and then plus, then sorry, this, then plus, you can write like something separator you can give here. So here I will write like age. Okay, so guys, let me just call this function. So fun demo. So what will happen here, I will pass my name, and then I will pass my age, and let's see if it prints or not. So here you can see this is not giving you any problems, right? So just need to compile it, or you can say transpile it, because you are converting from the TypeScript to the JavaScript. So this process is called the transpilation. So let me run it now. So the name and age, Vikas 38. Okay, so this is fine. So let's see when it converts it, then what happens? What will be the output when it converts it? So you can see that it has converted all the things in the form of JavaScript, because JavaScript doesn't know about the arrow functions. So when it is converting, it's simply writing like function name age and then this thing. Okay. So you can see that how it will convert into the JavaScript. So out of your curiosity, if you want to see that what is your converted code in JavaScript, you can always check the code that what it will convert to. Right? If I call this function let result is equal to fun add, then you write like 12 and 90, and then you write like console dot log, then what will happen? Sum is result. Let's see what happens with this tsc. Sorry, first TypeScript compile it and then we will run it. So let's run it. So the sum is 102. So you can see this is the output, and let's see what it looks like after getting converted to the JavaScript. So you can see that it has written function. It has just removed that code where we have used the arrow operator. So it doesn't know about the arrow operator. So it will convert it into the simple function which JavaScript understands. Right? So you might have understood now that how it converts into the compatible JavaScript. Okay. So that's it for today, guys. And in the next video, I will discuss about the interfaces, how you can use them, and what is the significance of interfaces. So have a nice day, guys, and bye bye. Please don't forget to subscribe, like my videos, and share my videos. Okay. So please share my videos.